Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1. Alright, there it is. I think that was too much reveling in my own crazy. Yeah, so what I've got here is the 5 oscillator reverse bias drone thingamadoodle, which needs a better name than it currently has, but it's going to have a great name, really good name. And currently I am speaking into it through the spring reverb contact microphone into one of these audio ports. And I'm just going to switch it on, and now I'm talking through it with it switched on, and you can hear the reverb, which I'm just going to turn down, and here we go. So you can just hear it in the background right now, droning away behind me, because I have the input turned out to max, and so the drone in the background is quite low. Now it's got, as I said, it's got a delay and it's got a fade. So this is the fade. So now I hear I'm echoey, and now I'm going to change the delay on the fade, which should make it longer and longer and longer. Bow with all my power. Yeah, it's got that, and I love it. It's great. Now we've also got some drones, so I'm going to decrease the input signal by putting some resistance onto it, and this will bring it in. So I'm just going to bring it in so you can hear it. Alright, this is it in, and I'm going to just change the frequency on the blue oscillator. No, the volume. So, to use the oscillators individually, you got the volume control, which is at the back, and you got the frequency control, which is at the front. And in between the two, you have the voltage control, which is the 3.5 millimeter audio jack. So I'm just going to plug in a low frequency square wave into that hickory-doo. So it's pulsating frequency as the voltage control does its thingamery-doodery to it. And this is what a low frequency square wave sounds like into one oscillator twiddled round to moderately high frequency. So you can hear the square wave into this. Now let's plug in. Oh, this is what happens when you touch the wire. Yeah. Alright, that was boring. Now let's try a triangle wave. A bit more interesting. Increase the frequency. of the triangle wave. Switch it very high. And let's change the frequency of the signal. So, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put two triangle wave singles in. So I'm going to use the blue oscillator and the green oscillator. Okay, the green wave of oscillator is fading in. Okay, come on. So let's change the frequency of the input on the green oscillator. Changing the frequency of the input on the blue oscillator. So it's very low right now. The blue oscillator is pulsing low. Let's increase the frequency of the green oscillator. And now the blue. Yeah, the blue. Okay, now I'm going to change the frequency so they're both. Now I'm going to put a load of echo on it with quite a long delay. Okay, I'm finding this quite pleasing right now. I mean, to me, I kind of want to hit this frame. Oh yeah, that's enough strings. I'm supposed to be showing you the thingamabob doodah 5 oscillators, reversed bias. Hickory dog. Wow. I'm going to put another drone in. So let's fade in with the yellow. And I'm going to put the orange to a similar frequency. This is a pretty cool music thing. in yellow. Let's change the delay. Change the delay. And again. Not sure what's going on there, but I like it. Of the green oscillator. And the blue. And the green. Slowly shut everything down. And now finally the blue is going off. And the fade is down to 0. The delay is down to 0, and the oscillator thingamabob is going first the input voltages, then the machine, and finally I'm just left with the contact mic, and I'm going to call this a successful test. Yeah, that's all I got to say with this, apart from hitting springs. So I'm going to fade out slowly. Well, maybe that was too slowly. Okay, fading. Oh, I'm fading. I'm fading away. I'm fading. Oh, go away. What a world.